Hello everyone, hope everybody well. So after a long time I came back with another video, and this is our last part of the landing page video, and this video we will convert the contact us section. So this is so much easy thing, we can do this with the tutorial. And one more thing, if you hear like noise something, or you think my voice is different, so don't worry and ignore this, because of I'm little bit of sick, so that's fine. What we have to do, we have to just first of all convert the contacts us, and then we will design with CSS. And before contacts us converting HTML, if you see that the landing page has a section, and this section has a title, also form. This form doesn't sense any like contents, so I assume that first one is name, second one is email, third one is subject or message you can, so and last is send the button. Okay, and right side if you see, there is the contact details like email, call, phone, and also location. That's it. So, and if you look into the footer bottom, we don't think this is neat, and I think since this is the free design, so that's why they design like this. This is not like a professional, so whatever, we just now designing the contacts us. Okay, let's go to the HTML, and I'm here for HTML, and last I first of all copy the comment and create the comment, which is the contact us area. Okay, so that's it. And now I'm writing a section with the ID, which is name is okay, we don't need a section, we just call footer. Since we don't have any footer, so we assume that the contact section as a footer, so that's why I'm just here adding ID, which name is again footer. And now in the footer section we need to write a title, and that's why I'm adding a class title. And just in the title section I'm adding a is2 section, is2 tag, and just copy the text of the contact us section title, and now here already paste. Okay, it's good. And now we have to think that this is the row section, and in the row has two columns, that is left and right, so let's write it row. In the row let's write a column. Okay, in the column left area, since we have to add form, that's why I'm adding the form tag, and in the form tag I'm adding input text into text field, and the placeholder should be name. Okay, I'm just adding full name, and then just copy the input and paste here, and then I'm just change the type, which is email, and there is placeholder should be email, and last one is so okay, I'm adding text area. See, it can be message, so that's why just adding here text area, and placeholder should be message. Okay, and last I'm adding a button, and this type is submit right now, and just here adding send. Okay, that's it. Our left column is done, and in the right column I'm just again adding column. In the column we know that first one is, if you see that there is a text also with the icon. Okay, since we have to see that if we did add any font awesome. Okay, we didn't add font awesome, but what we can do, we can copy that here. Okay, here is I'm copy just this icon and just export as a png. So just here export this icon into our image folder, and I'm change the name, which is we can call message png icon, and second one is okay, just again export as png and just okay, last remove the, just add the call. Okay, and last one is location. Again I'm export the location icon and just change the text. Okay, and that's it. We already complete our icon. Now in the column tag I'm adding like again row. Okay, in the row, okay, not row, I'm adding ul. In the ul I'm adding li, and that li I'm just adding which is password span, just in the adding remove the span, just adding the img. In the img I'm just adding message icon, and second one is I'm just adding p tag. In the p tag I'm just adding our gmail. Okay, email. So I already added email, and for this we need to copy to li. So I already copy, just change the icon which is called call, and second one is number, just I'm copy the number and here just paste, and last one is okay, just I'm copy the address and paste here, and just change the icon which is called location. Okay, that's it. Now if you see that we already all the HTML. Now this is our design part, so I am going to style.css and now separate the file, and just here looking to the bottom, and I'm in bottom, and now just copy the comment and just change the comment text. Now I'm calling the footer. Okay, footer tag. In the footer, since there is has top and bottom gap, so that's work. And if you see that the footer background is little bit of change, like this is not fully white, this is little bit of gray. Okay, so that's why I'm just copy the color and say here background color this is, and padding top and bottom 2 and right 0, and if you see it's already showing here. Okay, now footer and just add title. Okay, title, since we have to see that the contacts as title, typography pop-ins, and font size 64 and weight bold. Okay, and it is like okay, it's the same testimonial title, so that's why I'm just copy the title CSS and just change the footer here, testimonial to footer, and everything is same. So that's it, and it's already showing properly as a title. Now we have to add again row. So just for I am again copy the row section, and now in the row just change the text terminal to footer. Okay, display flex, because we already used display flex, and now it's showing 2 columns, and gap to rem is okay, no problem. With 80% is okay, no problem. Margin to rem top and bottom, no problem, it's okay. Now go to the footer row, and now column, we don't need to write column, just add from, and from tag just add display flex. Okay, if you see all the from is together. Now from input just here flex direction column and gap 1 rem, and if you see that there is gap between the input. Okay, and now just here add justify content center and align item center, sorry not a baseline, and center, that's it. And now just again copy the footer row and from, and then add input. Okay, in the input, so in input tag the background color is green light, and the text, okay, sorry, since there is no text or any content, so that's why I am making my custom font size, which is I can here adding 18 and font weight 500, that's it. And now if you see it's looking good, or we can reduce 16, that's it. Now color is, if you okay, why it's not showing, because we added placeholder, so that's why. Just again copy the input and just here add placeholder. Okay, pseudo to element placeholder and just color, if you here add, it's showing white color, but it would be best if we add our text color. So what is this is gray, so we already added, I think, font. Okay, now what we can do, just copy the color code and just here paste, and that's it. Now it's looking good, and now it's okay, and paste here again. Now we need to add border radius 61 pixel. Okay, and now I'm adding border radius 61 pixel. Okay, now it's looking good, but if you look here, there is showing border also by clicking showing border, so that's why we just remove the border, none, that's it. And last one is outline, none, that's it. If you see, there is nothing showing here. Okay, we just here to add fading, and we can add 1 rem fading, and it's looking good. And now last, what we can do is look our design, and last one we can same as goes to just copy and here add comma and change text area, and it will be same design for messages. Okay, same goes to here, add second one. Okay, just input to change text area, that's it. This is good. And last one is width 100% and box sizing, border box, I think. Okay, or border box. Okay, okay, it's okay. The all the width will be same. Now it's looking good, but if we click here, inspect, let's see, it's looking good. And what we can add here, we can add with 100% from. Now it's okay, but since our column, we don't need to add align items. Okay, just make content center, it's okay. Why not it's working? Because of Pro, I think. Just now remove this, we will fix later. So that's why just again add change. Okay, same goes to for background. Just here add background, and there is no background color, that will be border. Okay, border 1 pixel solid, and select a border color, and that is the border color, and I'm here change, and that's it. And also background, change the background transparent. Okay, and if you look here, it changed. And what we did fix, okay, just delete to this border and outline. We don't need width, and box size shadow don't need, padding it's okay. Width we think add 100%. Okay, it's now looking good, or now it's looking good and showing properly. And we need to here cursor pointer. Now it's okay, like it's clickable. And go to the next part, which is called again footer row, and just add UL, this style none. Okay, then display flex, and flex direction column, and gap 1 rem, that's it. Now again copy the code, and then after just here add li, just delete the list style and display flex direction. We don't need flex direction, just cap, and that's it. And another thing we have to add an item center. Okay, now it looks good. And now in the li, you should add feed tag, and after feed tag just add here font color. Okay, this is font color, this is font size, I think 14, so it's little bit, so that's why just I'm adding 15 pixel, and font size medium. Okay, font weight, not font family, font weight 500. And now it's looking good. And last one is what we can add, since there is a different typography TT hooks. So let's see if we did it. Is it we added? We didn't add any font, just add here Poppins. So by this now I am just keep the Poppins. I don't want to add any other font. I hope you know how to add the fonts. Okay, just here you have to add the font link, and just here add font family, which font family you want to add. I'm just keep the same font. Okay, it's almost similar, just what we have to, there is gap, so this gap between the description column and justify content space between. Let's see how much it's showing gap. There's nothing showing gap, that's why I'm just adding 2 RAM. Sorry, 1 RAM is okay. Here is adding 3 RAM, and now it's looking as like our design. Okay, 3 RAM is okay, or we can reduce 2.5 RAM. Now it's looking again good. Now we just add here. Okay, let's see how much the width 300. Okay, I'm just again change the width 374 pixel, 374. Let's see. Okay, now it's showing good. And do I need to adding height? Okay, for this now I am adding height for pixel perfect 56 pixel. Okay, now it's looking good. So, and since if we inspect and we don't need padding top and bottom, okay, need, but also left and right 1.5 prime, so it's looking showing good. And now just copy the padding and paste here again. Now it's looking good. Okay, and also we need to change a button with 15%. It will be show the half of the design of the input. And if we look here 56, okay, I'm just here adding height 56. Now it's showing good and perfect. Now since it is okay, and I'm reducing padding, so now it's showing good. But one thing we need to do that here, we need to some gap of the contact as list area. Let's see, space between to center. Sorry, justify content center, align item center. No, align item, we don't need align items. Now we just reduce the gap 2.3, or here we can add. Now it's okay, no problem. We can stay here. It's okay, no problem. Just we have to add here the gap between the row. Okay, in the row here is the gap too, we have to add 4. Now sorry, do we need to row? Okay, form gap is okay. Sorry, this here. Now it's showing good, and I'm reducing here list gap to RAM, and just it's okay. Let's see, is there any fading margin? No, there is no fading margin. We can add here bottom margin, bottom 1 RAM, 3 RAM. Now it's look good. Margin bottom 2 RAM is perfect. What you can say that, or we can add 3 RAM. Now it's showing good, and this showing something really good and better design. This is our contact us section. I know tutorial already too much length, so this is our fully landing page, and next video we will convert all the landing page into the responsive. Okay, So that will be an interesting video. Thank you for watching the video. If you already didn't subscribe the channel, please subscribe and like the video for more engaging viewers can see that. Okay, thank you for watching the video.